How to join Discord server Unstable SMP. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Discord account. Then you'll find this kind of screen. Here on the left side, click on the plus button. Then click on Join Server at the bottom. And now paste the invite link of Unstable SMP. I have added this invite link in the description. You can find this link in the description as well. Simply, you can type in as well and then click on join with invite link. After you click on it, simply click on accept invite and you will be joined in the server. You can customize this or skip it if you want to. And this is how to join Discord server Unstable SMP. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.